Hi everyone, my name is Tham and this is my homework. E. Please. I. Give. U. Good. U. School. E. Get. O. Better. O. Bird. R. Fort. A. Man. A. Hurry. R. Smart. A. Top. Ear. Here. A. Late. Or. Poor. I. Enjoy. O. Alone. Air. Scared. I. Try. Ow. Now. E. Seat. Hill. Heat. Leave. Key. I. Sit. Hill. Heat. Leave. Kitchen. O. Foot. Book. Cook. Good. Look. O. Food. Booze. Cool. Ruler. Lotion. E. Egg. Get. Man. Pen. Red. O. America. Common. Computer. Banana. Butter. O. Nurse. Turn. Learn. Hot. Refer. R. Saw. More. Call. Growl. Wrong. Back. That. Fax. Man. Sat. Mother. Ton. Cup. Sudden. Lucky. Heart. Car. Smart. Park. Far. Soft. Rock. Chop. Wash. Problem. E. Please. Please feel free to ask me. Cheers, mate. I. Give. I love to give her a gift. It's very kind of you. Oh, good. That book looks good. I took it from Luke. School. Do you prefer school or the movies? School, you fool. Get. Let's get more pens. Which pens are best? Man. Hey man, I'm getting married. I'm so glad to hear that. Oh, better. The later the better. No, the sooner the better. Oh, bird. It's your turn to feed the bird. My turn again? R. Fault. You bought the wrong thing again. Sorry, it's all my fault. Top. Tom. Put it on top of the box. Yep, I got it. Ah, hurry. Hurry up. I'm coming. Ah, smart. You are so smart and hardworking. No argument here. Ear, dear, fear, ear, career, a, day, train, pen, pay, or, tour, tourist, poor, sure, eye, boy, noisy, choice, joy, oh, go, no, vote, throw, air, chair, wear, careful, air, I, like, my, back, ow, ouch, out, house, mountain, oh, alone. Though I'm alone, I don't feel lonely. Oh, really? I try. I'll try my best. Don't worry. Your worst is my best. A, late. Hey, we're gonna be late. Take it easy.